Welcome back to Cosmos. For episode 4, we learned a lot about the universe. It began with William and John Herschel, who were exploring their ghosts of the past. They discovered that dark stars are actually black holes, and since the light takes so far to travel from the star to Earth, we're actually looking into the past whenever we're looking into light in the cosmos. This was the beginnings of the theories of relativity. They also briefly went over Faraday, who did the magnet coil test, where when you introduce a magnet into an electric coil, the magnetic fields were affected by the electricity and the electrical fields were affected by the magnet. Next, they went over Einstein's theory of relativity in respect to light emitting from stars and how we're actually looking into the past whenever we're looking at something through a telescope, depending upon how long it took the light to travel here. It was particularly interesting when they brought up the astronomer and geologist John Mitchell. He was a person of color scientist, and it's devastating that I've never heard of him, and I can't name many people who have. And he described how black holes work and how even light cannot escape the gravitational pull of a black hole. That's really important. I don't understand why his name has essentially been erased from history. Oh wait, it's because he was described as black. It's horrible that someone's contributions to the scientific community can be completely erased due to the color of one's skin. I find that devastating and awful. We need to start championing John Mitchell. The last thing that was on this episode was the theory of universes within universes, connected through black holes. This kind of gave me a headache, to be honest. So they're saying is that the Big Bang that created our universe, our cosmos, occurred under the same conditions which theoretically exist within a black hole. So if those conditions are met properly, through the black hole could be another Big Bang, which creates another universe, which creates more black holes and more Big Bangs, and layer upon layer upon layer upon layer upon layer of universes within universes. And it makes really logical sense that that's how universes can work, because there's entire universes within small areas like microscopic life. The way bacteria view the world has to be different than the way we view it. Their entire world is such a small area. Why can't our universe be such a small area? Just like our planet's a small area, in the grand scheme of things, as is our solar system, as is our universe, as is our galaxy. So it makes perfect sense that that's how that would work. Another less scientific example of this would be in How the Grinch Stole Christmas. All of Whoville exists on a single snowflake. Time can work differently within these confines. Just because we measure time a certain way doesn't mean that's a universal measurement for time. So if there's another universe within our universe through a black hole, time can be measured differently there. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought of this episode of Cosmos. I know it's kind of out of date at this point, but it's the first time I watched it and I really enjoyed it. See you next time.